Hello and welcome to Try Django 1.8. My name is Justin Mitchell. I'm going to be taking you through this video series so you can learn Django basics. Django, of course, is a web framework that helps you launch projects faster. It's really good for fast application development, and that, of course, is web application development. In this one, we're going to be teaching you how to build an MVP landing page, which basically means a web page that will allow you to collect email addresses, but we're also going to show you how to do some registration. So there's going to be password protected pages as well, and a whole lot of other things. So we're going to show you how to store things in the database by using models as well as a basic database. And then we're also going to show you how to use forms and all sorts of stuff, integrating Bootstrap, which is a front-end framework. There's really going to be a lot that you're going to learn here, and it's about 42 videos long, and we're going to show you step-by-step on how to do each and every part and explain it along the way. So you're really not going to see me a whole lot, actually. You're going to see mostly my computer screen. And if you want to take a look at what you'll be building, you can go to tryjango.com right now. And depending on when you're watching this video, that will be the most recent version of what we will actually be building for MVP Landing. Now, if you have any questions, of course, ask them in the videos. But if you see somebody else's questions that you can answer, please do. I would love it if you joined us on codingforentrepreneurs.com or joincfe.com. That's our membership site that has more in-depth tutorials than what you see here. And then we also have a YouTube channel that has all of our free stuff. So youtube.com/codingentrepreneurs or joincfe.com/YouTube. All of those links will be around here somewhere. Again, thank you so much for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you throughout the series as well as hopefully some of our other classes. Thank you so much.